In faciliCAD, assets can be managed and tracked in both the faciliCAD Data Manager and CAD Manager. The choice of application depends on the skill set of the team member and the display results required. Background data, such as the asset catalog creation, can be accomplished in either application. If accurate placement of an asset or graphic display of the asset is required, then this must be done from the CAD Manager. Either application can be used for tabular reporting of assets. This demonstration will show how to locate an asset in the CAD drawing and then demonstrate how information in the form of documents, whether they're warranty documents or spec sheets, and also conditions can be attached and assigned to individual assets. We will also show some of the tools in the CAD Manager that are available for placing, moving, and linking assets in a parent-child relationship. Next, we will take a look at the asset catalog and the information fields available in the catalog, as well as information specific to an asset once it has been placed. Lastly, we will explore assigning and linking assets to employees. So let's take a look at some of the tools available in the CAD Manager. Using the Asset dialog, we are able to view all of the assets on the current floor plan, as well as the information pertaining to that specific asset. Using that same dialog box, an asset can be selected in the drawing graphically to quickly find the corresponding record. Once the record is selected, documents can be attached, or previously attached documents can be viewed and printed. In this case, a spec sheet has been attached. We have also attached a warranty document. Notice that this particular document type is date-based for reporting purposes. Using date-based documents, reports can reflect what action needs to be taken on any given date. We also have the ability to assign condition types to our assets. Once a condition type has been assigned, we can apply a condition rating, an inspection date, and even a time period before replacement is necessary. The cost of the replacement can also be entered for capital planning purposes. Once an asset catalog item is created, assets can be placed and linked to each other in a parent-child relationship. In this example, Air Handling Unit 1 has been linked to the VAV boxes in the corridor. The VAV boxes have then been linked to the diffusers in the surrounding rooms. Once linked, a graphic link tree showing the relationship can be generated. If there are linked objects on other floors, a dialog box will appear listing those assets as well. We are also able to view and print a tabular report showing the parent-child relationship of the linked assets. As stated earlier, asset information can be managed both from the CAD Manager and the Data Manager if graphics are not required and AutoCAD is not present. Before an asset can be placed in a room, there must be an asset catalog item. An asset catalog item contains information about the asset that would be common to all of those similar assets that are placed. Once an asset has been placed, additional information can be entered and tracked that is specific to that particular item. Information like asset ID, the vendor used for this particular asset, unit cost, installation date, serial number, for instance. Not only can an asset item be linked to each other, they can also be assigned and linked to employees. If they are assigned and not linked, the asset will not move with the employee. On the other hand, if they are linked to the employee, they will move when the employee is moved. So as you can see, with faciliCAD, asset information can be entered and tracked graphically using the CAD Manager or in a tabular interface using the Data Manager. Assets can be linked to each other in a parent-child relationship or linked to employees if required. The ability to attach documents and conditions to assets adds tremendous power for tracking warranty information, accessing spreadsheets, as well as creating budget information for capital planning.